We look up at the stars, our vision reaching far beyond Earth to contemplate those distant beacons in space. Are we alone in the universe? This fundamental question fuels ongoing debate about the possibility of extraterrestrial life and whether humanity is unique in the cosmos. We imagine alien beings with bizarre forms, senses beyond our own, and powers beyond comprehension. Deeper inspection reveals a surprising, even unsettling truth. Some of these beings have already arrived and are among us. The light-year distances of interstellar space make alien visitation improbable. It's unlikely beings would cross such vast gulfs to reach our planet for contact. They haven't arrived in gleaming ships. These entities are native to this world, born of its elements and shaped by its power. Like humanity, they share a genesis in the planet's primordial energies. But through the slow, relentless process of evolution, they have acquired abilities that border on the supernatural. They live beneath the waves, in the jungle canopy, in the dark soil beneath our feet, in the air we breathe. Despite sharing Earth and living alongside humanity, their radically different abilities suggest a non-terrestrial origin, making them fundamentally alien. Their powers aren't science fiction. They're evolution at its strangest and most brilliant. This is Alien Instincts, 17 animal superpowers that redefine what it means to be alive on Earth. The world of the pit viper is a world of darkness. It hunts in the dead of night, where even the faintest glimmer of light is swallowed by the undergrowth. But the pit viper doesn't need light to find its prey. It sees the world in a way we can barely comprehend. Beneath each eye, the pit viper possesses a heat-sensing organ, a pit that detects infrared radiation. Every warm-blooded animal emits this invisible heat signature. And to the pit viper, this heat is as good as a beacon. It's not just warmth that the snake detects, but a thermal silhouette. It can distinguish between the subtle temperature differences of its surroundings, building a detailed thermal image of its prey. In the pitch black, the pit viper sees not with light but with heat, a sixth sense that allows it to become a silent, invisible predator. The ocean depths are a world of perpetual twilight, where sunlight fades to darkness just a few hundred feet below the surface. Yet dolphins navigate these murky depths with astonishing grace and precision. They don't rely on sight alone. They have developed a sixth sense, an ability to see with sound. This is echolocation, a biological sonar system that transforms the ocean into a symphony of echoes. The dolphin emits high-frequency clicks, sound waves that travel through the water, bouncing off objects in their path. These echoes are then picked up by the dolphin's specialized jaw bone, transmitting the sound to the inner ear and then to the brain, where they are processed with lightning speed. These echoes paint a vivid acoustic picture of the dolphin's surroundings. It can determine the size, shape, and even the internal structure of objects in its path. A school of fish becomes a shimmering cloud of echoes, a single squid a distinct blip against the background noise. But the dolphin's echolocation is more than just a navigation tool. It can even detect the faintest of heartbeats, revealing hidden prey in the sand or camouflaged against the seabed. In the darkness of the ocean depths, the dolphin's sonic vision allows it to thrive, a testament to the power of sound to illuminate even the most hidden corners of our planet. The vastness of the ocean can be a lonely place, a seemingly endless expanse of blue concealing a hidden world of predator and prey. But for some, navigating this watery realm is less about sight and more about sensing. Sharks, the apex predators of these depths, possess a remarkable sixth sense, electroreception. Dotted around their snouts like freckles on a human face are the ampullae of Lorenzini. These jelly-filled pores are finely tuned receptors, picking up on the faintest electrical impulses. Every living creature, from the smallest fish to the largest whale, emits a unique electrical signature, the faint hum of life itself. These signals, invisible to our eyes, are the language of the deep, and sharks are fluent speakers. For the shark, electroreception is more than just a sense. It's a weapon. It allows them to hunt in murky waters, to pinpoint prey hidden beneath the sand, to strike with unnerving precision. In the ocean's silent battlefields, electroreception gives the shark a decisive advantage. To us, flowers are a riot of color, their petals painted in hues of red, yellow, and blue. But this is only half the story. For bees, the world of flowers is a kaleidoscope of ultraviolet patterns invisible to the human eye. Bees possess specialized photoreceptors that are sensitive to ultraviolet light. This allows them to see a world beyond our perception, where flowers display intricate landing guides, like beacons guiding them towards the sweet nectar within. These ultraviolet patterns are not merely decorative, they are a form of communication between plant and pollinator. Flowers, rooted in place, rely on bees to carry their pollen far and wide, ensuring the survival of their species. The bee's ability to see ultraviolet light is a testament to the power of adaptation. It is a reminder that the world we see is just one version of reality, and that even the smallest creatures can possess senses that seem almost supernatural. The ocean currents carry many travelers, but few journeys are as remarkable as that of the sea turtle. These ancient mariners embark on migrations spanning thousands of miles, navigating vast stretches of open ocean with uncanny accuracy. Their secret? An internal compass, perfectly aligned with Earth's magnetic field. Through some unknown mechanism, sea turtles can sense subtle variations in the Earth's magnetism, using them as navigational markers on their epic voyages. Imagine being born on a beach, swept out to sea as a hatchling, only to return years later to lay your own eggs on that very same stretch of sand. This is the reality for sea turtles, their lives intricately linked to this invisible force that guides them across the globe. Theirs is a journey of instinct and inheritance, a testament to the power of evolution to equip even the most unlikely of creatures with abilities that seem almost magical. The sea turtle's magnetic sense is a wonder of the natural world, a reminder that we still have much to learn from the creatures with whom we share this planet. Intelligence takes many forms. We often define it by our own standards: tool use, communication, complex societies. But what about adaptability? What about the ability to solve problems in an instant, to change shape and texture at will? The octopus, with its bulbous head and 8 sinuous arms, challenges our very notion of intelligence. Each arm is a network of neurons, a brain unto itself, able to taste, touch, and even make decisions independent of the central brain. This decentralized nervous system allows for astonishing feats of dexterity and problem-solving. Octopuses have been known to open jars, solve mazes, and even escape from seemingly secure tanks. Their skin, a canvas of pigment and texture, can mimic rocks, coral, even the shifting patterns of the seabed. This mastery of camouflage is more than just a visual trick. It's a testament to a highly sophisticated nervous system, capable of processing information and reacting to its environment with lightning speed. In the octopus, we find an intelligence that is both alien and awe-inspiring, a testament to the boundless creativity of evolution. The African savanna, a place of vast horizons and ancient rhythms ruled by giants who seem to carry the weight of centuries on their massive shoulders, the African elephants. These magnificent creatures possess a social complexity and depth of emotion that rivals our own. At the heart of every elephant family group is the matriarch, the oldest and most experienced female. Her memory is a library of survival, holding decades worth of knowledge about water sources, migration routes, and the ever-changing landscape. This information, passed down through generations, is vital to the elephant's survival in a harsh and unpredictable environment. Elephants are known to mourn their dead, displaying signs of grief, and even returning to the sites of lost loved ones. They recognize themselves in mirrors, a sign of self-awareness rarely seen in the animal kingdom. Their trumpeting calls, a complex symphony of rumbles and screams, convey a range of emotions: joy, anger, grief, and even what seems to be humor. Deep within the rainforests of Central and South America, a civilization thrives beneath our feet. an empire of tiny farmers working tirelessly in a symbiotic dance that has endured for millions of years. These are the leafcutter ants, masters of agriculture long before humans ever sowed a seed. Watch closely and you'll see a steady stream of workers, each carrying a leaf fragment many times their size. These leaves are not food for the ants themselves, but rather fertilizer for a precious crop, a specialized fungus cultivated within the depths of their underground nests. Within the nest, the air is thick with humidity, carefully regulated by the ants. Workers meticulously tend to the fungus gardens, chewing the leaves into a pulp and fertilizing them with their own waste. In return, the fungus produces specialized structures called gongolidia, rich in nutrients that sustain the entire colony. Deep within the forests of New Caledonia, an island paradise in the South Pacific, lives a bird with an almost unnerving intelligence. This is the New Caledonian crow, and it possesses a remarkable ability that sets it apart from almost all other creatures in the animal kingdom. These crows are master tool makers, fashioning tools from the materials around them. Watch closely, and you'll see them carefully select twigs, stripping them of leaves and bark, before meticulously shaping them with their beaks. The result? A finely crafted hook, perfectly designed for extracting grubs and insects from deep within tree hollows. What makes this behavior truly extraordinary is not just the tool use itself, but the crow's capacity for learning and innovation. Young crows observe and learn from their elders, inheriting generations of accumulated knowledge, but they don't simply mimic. They experiment, they adapt, they refine their techniques, pushing the boundaries of avian ingenuity. Some scientists believe their problem-solving skills rival those of our closest primate relatives. We descend now into the twilight zone, a realm of perpetual dusk, hundreds of meters beneath the ocean's surface. Here, survival hinges on a delicate balance between predator and prey, a game of hide-and-seek played out in shades of blue, and it's here we encounter a creature that seems to disappear entirely. This is the glass squid, a master of camouflage that has evolved one of nature's most remarkable adaptations, near-perfect transparency. Its body, almost entirely see-through, allows light to pass straight through it, rendering it virtually invisible to predators lurking both above and below. But this transparency is more than just a vanishing act. It's a survival strategy honed over millennia. With nowhere to hide in the open ocean, the glass squid has become the ocean itself, its ghostly silhouette blending seamlessly with the surrounding water. Only its large, highly developed eyes, cleverly disguised with pigments, betray its presence. This remarkable adaptation allows the glass squid to stalk its prey undetected, a phantom hunter in the twilight realm. The ocean depths are home to creatures that seem to have sprung from the pages of prehistoric bestiaries. Among the most bizarre and captivating is the goblin shark, a creature whose lineage stretches back millions of years, a living relic of a bygone era. With its elongated snout and unsettling, almost translucent skin, the goblin shark seems almost unfinished, a work in progress. But beneath this seemingly primitive exterior lies a hunting mechanism of astonishing speed and precision. The goblin shark possesses a secret weapon, a set of jaws unlike any other in the marine world. When prey comes within range, a lightning-fast transformation occurs. The goblin shark's jaws shoot forward with incredible force, propelled by a complex system of ligaments and cartilage. In a fraction of a second, the jaws extend, transforming the shark's face from a blunt snout to a gaping maw, snatching prey from the water column with ruthless efficiency. This extraordinary adaptation, a holdover from its ancient ancestors, has served the goblin shark well for millions of years. It's a testament to the power of evolution, where even the most seemingly bizarre adaptations can persist unchanged when they provide a distinct advantage in the struggle for survival. The coral reefs, vibrant and teeming with life, are a haven for creatures of extraordinary beauty and bizarre adaptations. But even amongst these wonders, the mantis shrimp stands out, a tiny pugilist wielding astonishing weaponry and a visual system unlike anything else on Earth. Their eyes, multifaceted and perched on stalks, possess up to 16 types of color receptors, dwarfing the meager 3 found in humans. We see a rainbow. The mantis shrimp sees a spectrum beyond our comprehension, a kaleidoscope of ultraviolet hues and polarized light invisible to our own eyes. But this visual symphony is merely a prelude to the mantis shrimp's true party piece. Their club-like appendages tucked beneath their bodies are capable of unleashing blows so fast they generate cavitation bubbles, pockets of vapor that implode with incredible force. These strikes, reaching speeds of 50 miles per hour, can shatter aquarium glass, crack shells and stun prey with the force of a bullet. The water boils around these miniature titans as they unleash their sonic fury, a testament to the raw power packed into their diminutive frames. Yet, the mantis shrimp is not merely a brute force of nature. They are surprisingly sophisticated creatures, engaging in complex courtship rituals and even remembering past rivals. In the eternal arms race of evolution, the mantis shrimp stands as a testament to the boundless creativity of nature, a living paradox of delicate beauty and explosive power. The cool, murky waters of certain Mexican lakes hold a secret, a creature seemingly frozen in perpetual youth. This is the axolotl, a salamander with a remarkable difference. Unlike its kin, who transition from water to land, the axolotl never truly grows up, retaining its juvenile aquatic form throughout its life. But this arrested development is not the limit of the axolotl's strangeness. It possesses an almost mythical ability, the power of regeneration. Should an axolotl lose a limb, it simply grows a new one, complete and functional. This remarkable ability extends beyond mere limbs. They can regenerate parts of their spinal cord, their eyes, even portions of their heart. Scientists are captivated by the axolotl's regenerative prowess, hoping to unlock the secrets of its cellular healing. Could the axolotl hold the key to treating spinal cord injuries, regenerating damaged tissue, or even reversing the effects of aging in humans? The answers, like the axolotl itself, remain elusive, hidden within the depths of its genetic code. For now, we can only marvel at this creature, a symbol of resilience and renewal, a testament to the enduring power of life to adapt and overcome even the most daunting of challenges. In the axolotl, we see a glimmer of hope, a possibility that the secrets to our own healing might lie hidden within the natural world. As darkness descends and the world sleeps, a silent army of architects emerges. Orb-weaving spiders, masters of silk and geometry, set about their nightly ritual, transforming the landscape with their intricate creations. These are not haphazard constructions, but carefully calculated traps, each strand placed with precision and purpose. With no formal training or blueprints to guide them, orb-weaving spiders spin webs of astonishing complexity and beauty. Their silk, stronger than steel by weight, forms a delicate yet deadly trap, a masterpiece of engineering that has ensnared unsuspecting prey for millennia. Each web is a testament to instinct and design, a testament to the power of evolution to shape even the smallest creatures into skilled artisans. The radial symmetry of the orb web, with its concentric circles and radiating spokes, is a testament to both its strength and its beauty. The sticky spiral threads, coated in a glue-like substance, await the unwary insects that blunder into their grasp, providing sustenance for the architect who patiently waits at the web's center. And so, night after night, the orb-weaving spiders spin their silken traps, a silent ballet of precision and patience. They are a reminder that even in the darkest corners of the natural world, beauty and ingenuity can be found, woven into the very fabric of life itself. In the shadowed undergrowth, a hidden world thrives. Here, evolution has crafted masters of ambush and deception. These are the lairs of trapdoor spiders, each one a testament to the power of patience and the elegance of instinct. Unlike their orb-weaving cousins, trapdoor spiders do not rely on elaborate webs spun across open space. Instead, they dig burrows, meticulously lining them with silk and crafting a concealed entrance. This is no simple hole in the ground. It is a bespoke fortress, a carefully engineered portal between two worlds. The door itself is a marvel. Woven from silk, soil and bits of vegetation, it blends seamlessly with the surrounding environment. It's hinged with such precision that it closes silently, leaving no trace of the predator lurking beneath. For unsuspecting prey, the burrow entrance might as well be invisible. But the spider, ever vigilant, can feel the slightest tremor. A delicate hair trigger spun from the finest silk acts as an alarm, signaling the approach of a meal. Deep in the tangled undergrowth, a different kind of spider plays out its nightly drama. The bolus spider, unlike its web-spinning cousins, weaves no intricate traps. Instead, it employs a far more sinister strategy, chemical mimicry. This spider is a mistress of deception. It releases pheromones into the air, an intoxicating perfume that mimics the scent of a female moth. Male moths, driven by instinct, fly towards what they believe is a potential mate. It is a fatal miscalculation. The bolus spider hangs patiently, a single sticky globule dangling from a silken thread. This is its bolus, a weighted weapon coated in a quick-drying adhesive. As the unsuspecting moth draws near, the spider flicks its bolus with astonishing accuracy, ensnaring its victim in a silken death grip. In the animal kingdom, simplicity can be the deadliest weapon. The sheet-web spider, unlike its orb-weaving relatives, constructs no elaborate symmetrical webs. Instead, it relies on gravity and a deceptively simple design. These spiders spin horizontal webs, often suspended between blades of grass or branches. The silk threads, while seemingly delicate, are incredibly strong and coated in an adhesive that ensnares any unsuspecting insect that blunders into its path. For flying insects, the sheet web is an invisible hazard. They collide with the silken strands, becoming hopelessly entangled. The more they struggle, the more ensnared they become. The spider, sensing the vibrations of its prey, rushes in for the kill. We often imagine alien life as something far away, hidden amongst the stars, but we forget. Life here is just as strange, just as wondrous. Evolution has created beings that can feel electricity, see into ultraviolet, farm underground and regenerate organs. These creatures are not anomalies, they are Earth's masterpieces, each one a testament to the power of adaptation, the sheer ingenuity of nature, but they're disappearing. Habitat loss, climate change, pollution, these threats are pushing many of these incredible animals towards the brink. The more we study them, the more we realize alien life might not be out there, it's already here. It's in the intricate dance of the bolus spider and the silent fall of an insect into a sheet web. It's in the very air we breathe. If you believe these creatures deserve to be seen, subscribe, share, and help us tell their stories before it's too late. Welcome to the planet of alien instincts. This is the last of their kind. Brace yourself for videos to come.